A very good evening. I'm Deepthi Sachdeva with you. The show's called The Biggest Story Tonight. And yes, the biggest story right now is coming out of the state of Tamil Nadu, where this is an important reaction that we've heard from actor turned Neta Kamal Haasan, who now says that he never thought he would be working in Hindi films. Back in the day, he says, I was fighting against Hindi, but now I'll say, along with Hindi, let Tamil also flourish.
அப்போ எனக்கு தெரியாது நான் ஹிந்தி படத்திலாம் நடிப்பேன். ஸோ அன்றைய அரசியல் உந்தலில் அது நியாயம் என்று பட்டது. இன்றும் அந்த நியாயம் என்றால் அதில் இருக்கிறது. ஹிந்தி ஒழிய என்பது அல்ல என்னுடைய கோஷம், தமிழ் வாழ்க என்பதுதான். இந்த காலகட்டத்தில் சொல்ல வேண்டும் என்றால் தமிழும் வாழட்டும் ஐயா என்று சொல்ல வேண்டிய நேரம் வந்திருக்கிறது. அப்போ எனக்கு தெரியாது நான் ஹிந்தி படத்திலாம் நடிப்பேன். ஸோ அன்றைய அரசியல் உந்தலில் அது நியாயம் என்று பட்டது. இன்றும் அந்த நியாயம் என்றால் அதில் இருக்கிறது. ஹிந்தி ஒழிய என்பது அல்ல என்னுடைய கோஷம், தமிழ் வாழ்க என்பதுதான். இந்த காலகட்டத்தில் சொல்ல வேண்டும் என்றால் தமிழும் வாழட்டும் ஐயா என்று சொல்ல வேண்டிய நேரம் வந்திருக்கிறது.
Let's get in our colleague Apurva to decode the timing and the impact of that particular reaction that has come in from Kamal Haasan. You know, Apurva, for the longest time, language politics has been the centerpiece of Dravidian politics. The point is that elections around the corner, Kamal Haasan is getting into a territory that again is dangerous. He is triggering a big language war.
Well, what Kamal Haasan here has stated is not only that Tamil also be Hindi be a language, but also Tamil also be cherished the same way in Hindi is what he has stated. In the statement that he has made, he says, I am not wishing that, Hindi rather be admonished, but I would also like to say that at the same place that Hindi is revered, the same way the Tamil should also be given equal respect is what he says. He also wishes to say that there is nothing wrong with Tamil as much as there is with Hindi. This is what he had said in that statement. He says Tamil Varga, which means long live Tamil, and that is what I will still reiterate is what he has said. So this interesting statement that comes in from Kamal Haasan comes at a time when there are already language wars that are going on here in the state of Tamil Nadu. Over time and again, we have seen several other leaders also talking about Hindi imposition, or talking about the usage of Hindi as text and several other measures as well. So with Kamal Haasan giving this statement, where he clearly states that not only, we are to respect other languages just as equally as we have to respect Hindi, is definitely an important sentence that comes in because not only is he giving reverence to Hindi, but he's also saying that other languages and also Tamil should be given the same reverence as Hindi is given.
And you know, I do recall, Apurva, this was I think somewhere back in 2019, Kamal Haasan actually had said that Hindi is a little child in diapers. That was also a language row. We leave it there. Clearly, that is going to be, dominating a lot of mind space in these Tamil Nadu elections for the moment. Thank you.